Okay guys, here's our kitchen layout to size and scale. Starting off with the fridge wall, our fridge cabinet in the corner, microwave, double oven. And here is our garden window that actually would pop out with the cooktop below it. So this would possibly be a very shallow drawer, depending on the style of the cooktop. Drawer stack to the left. Bench seats here, 18 tall, 18 deep, and these are drawers. So we're going to have a dead corner, and yes, that'll be filled in. And if we look at the plan view, we have that is 24, 24, and then we have about 20 inches here. So from the corner to the cabinet, we have 70 inches, and then on this wall from that pantry, pretty much the same thing. On the pantry wall in the corner, these are both 24 wide drawers below, and this is 18 deep, and these are 22 deep. I know we're going to move this door around, but just trying to maximize some space here, so for door casing, etc. So on the sink wall now, dishwasher to the right of the sink. This is a trash pull-out right here. Drawer stack to the left, a little upper, and then an upper between the new door and the opening into the dining room. The only thing I want to point out is this is really tight to get the fridge and the double oven in here. So depending on the model number of the oven and microwave, we might have to get a slightly smaller fridge instead of a standard 36. And the left side of this wall oven is tight against that window. So just something to be aware of, and we'll have to address that. Laundry room. There's a vent in the ceiling, so we can't go to the ceiling, but these are 16 deep. The floating shelf here, which is a little, let's see, if we look at the plan view, that might be in the way. I mean, granted, we can shift these down, but just don't want to have that hit in the head or just make it a little shallower. It's 9 inches deep. Open shelving in between. And then we can do a wood top across these here. Entertainment center. Off of what we talked about, of course, we can certainly change this. These are 12 deep, 21 deep, 14 deep. Glass doors. And a wood top across here. And these are 96 inches tall. So big space for the TV. That opening is 100 inches by 48 3/4. That space in there. The office for downstairs, just in the corner now. A countertop or solid surface across here. These are 12-inch wide drawer banks, open cabinets above. Don't pay attention to the color, but just open adjustable shelving. The master, vanity, sink, drawer stack in the middle. And if we want, we could put some floating shelves in here. I know we were a little undecided on what to do with that little niche. And a 4-inch deep floating shelf, along with the 4-inch floating shelf. Let's see, right here. This is where the tub is, another floating shelf here. And keeping those off the corner. I don't want that sharp wood corner poking out right here. So these are ending 4 inches short of the walls of the corner. And then lastly, the downstairs media. This is the back wall, that window. I believe we have 14 inches, and the bottom of the window is 34 off the floor. So this is all at 30 tall. Yep, 30 inches tall and 21 inches deep. And again, we could do a wood top across there. And I didn't get measurements for this. Sounded like this was possibly discussed after I left, but if this is correct, a bar for that media room, wine fridge, and just 2 cabinets flanking it. And of course, we can flip-flop this or do whatever we want, but I didn't measure this, so I'm just speculating what I've got for the corner. But that's what I've got so far. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you.